Tig. Tig. Is there someone at the door? Who's at the door? Who's at the door, Tig? Tiggy. Ah! You didn't even get scared at all. Come on, Tig. You gotta do something interesting. I wouldn't really call that interesting, but at least I did something. Tig. Ah! Gotta reach for something. Alright. Sorry for that. Tiggy. You want this? It's your monkey. Hold on. Come on, Tig. Good girl. That's her favorite toy. Hold on. Trying to get a good video on her playing with it, because she's really cute. Hi, Tig. Don't give me that weird eye. And she's like, what is that? I don't know what that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're cleaning it now? It's a toy. What are you doing, Tig? No, it's mine. It's mine now. You can't have it. Here. Is that... Don't knock over the softball. I mean, not the... Wow. Okay. Bat, I mean. You don't want to mess with the hand, don't you, Tig? Oh god, no! She attacked me. Bye!